This is the banquet hall of one of the clubhouse, the social clubhouse, having a very grand look. We are in the lower basement, so just taking you the view of the entire grand basement of the project. Lightning भी बहुत heavy दिए हैं, मतलब as you are inside some hotel. This is the kitchenette which is attached with the banquet hall of the project. So this is at the lower ground floor, this banquet hall. So just going upstairs. This is one of the social clubs which is operational and functioning, and it's a beautiful clubhouse, one of the finest clubhouse of the project. This is another club which is under construction, one of the finest club of area 1,50,000 square feet. Only for 570 families living in it. This is the first floor, which is of indoor sports. For the indoor sports and indoor amenities, and this is the gymnasium, a very big size gymnasium. So यहाँ की लाइट्स भी एक बार ओपन कर दीजिए. So this is of indoor sports, and this is gymnasium on the first floor of such a big area. So this is, we are speaking of the smaller clubhouse. We have the another clubhouse which is just about to making. Close कर दीजिए लाइट. So सबसे बड़ी खास बात इस प्रोजेक्ट की ये है कि it has only 570 families. It is a very low density product. 11 एकड़ का प्रोजेक्ट, सिर्फ 9 टावर्स and very less density. So only 570 families enjoy this beautiful condominiums, and you are just 10-minute drive from everything. 10-minute drive from all the major schools, hotels and hospitals. So showing you the green area also of the project. So in the entire project we received the occupancy certificate of 5 towers and applied for the OC of the another 4 towers, which will hand over possession till this Diwali. So having a glimpse of the tower, beautiful facade, beautiful construction. This is the back side of the swimming pool, the greenery, the lush green area, the proper facade, the entire structure. See the beauty and see the quality of construction which they have used, because everything is in-house. They don't have anything for the third party, so they used to take care and maintain everything by themselves in this product. So it is such a beautiful and wonderful product. The major part is the density. If you are buying a product, so in Noida you have the very low density. This project is famous for the density because it's a very low density product. So this is also the landscape view. You can see here the water bodies will come up once the things will be operational. This you can see the back side of the small club, and this is the structure which is already ready. Some families have already been shifted in this product, and rest are about to get shifted soon. Now here, taking you ahead inside of the greenery of this project. So you are seeing all these lamps, all the lightnings. This is also the green area which you are seeing here. So सबसे बड़ी बात इस प्रोडक्ट की जो विच आई लाइक द मोस्ट इज़ द कनेक्टिविटी. जैसे ही आप DND पे एंटर करते हैं वहाँ से हार्डली 9 मिनट्स के डिस्टेंस पे यू विल रीच दिस यूनिटी पार्क लॉरिएट द प्रोडक्ट, एंड it is ready to move in if you are looking a bigger and spacious apartment. So सबसे छोटा जो अपार्टमेंट है यहाँ इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर, that is approximately 3300 स्क्वायर फीट, and the bigger size goes to 5000 स्क्वायर फीट. तो आपकी जो जेंट्री है, जो आपके नेबर्स हैं, they are minimum area of 3300 स्क्वायर फीट. So see the greenery, see the landscaping inside the project. It's very well maintained. Every tower has 90 feet lobby, so you can imagine what will be the air, ventilation and sunlight in each and every apartment. So you have a very beautiful view inside every apartment. They received the occupancy certificate, so you can shift into the apartments. This is the glimpse of the project. So now taking you ahead, I think this is for this is the lobby. See the height of the lobby.